Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Emem back with another video. So today is another natural hair video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a wash and go on 4C hair. So for a long time I really thought that I couldn't do a wash and go on my hair because most people believe that 4C hair can achieve a wash and go. But one day I was like, I'm just gonna try it, and it turned out beautiful and it was so easy to do. And so I've done it a couple of times. I just wanted to show you guys how I do it and to show you guys that 4C hair can achieve a wash and go. Definitely know that 4C hair is a different type of texture. The way our wash and go looks is not the way a 3C or 4A natural hair wash and go would look. And so I love the way it looks, and I am going to be showing you guys how I do it. So I just got out of the shower. I literally just finished washing my hair. You can kind of see it's kind of wet and dripping. So if you've watched my wash routine, which I actually just recently posted, it's linked in the description box, so check that out. It's very informative and very simple routine on how I wash my hair. You would know that I like to section my hair into 4 when I am conditioning. I'm going to be using 2 products today. I'm going to be using my leave-in. The leave-in I'm using is the Cantu leave-in conditioner. It's one of my favorites. Most people don't like this, but it really works for my hair. I'm also going to be using the As I Am curling jelly. As I Am curling jelly is actually what really does the wash and go. This is to moisturize my hair. So let's start with this first section. I'm just going to take my hair out of the twist. As you can see, my hair is really soft and really nice. Definitely check out my wash routine. I go through everything and the products that I use. I love this new conditioner that I've been using, and so that's what my hair looks like right now. So as you can see, when you come out of the shower, like you just condition your hair does have some kind of definition because it has water on it, and that's what we want to keep. That's why it's called a wash and go. So we want to keep that curly definition. So I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner first. I'm not going to put too much actually. So I'm actually going to use like very little, like literally, I don't know if you guys can't really see it, it's really bright, but that's literally all I'm gonna use. I'm just going to rub it in my hand and just kind of scrunch it into that section, because I'm just doing this so that my hair can have moisture. I'm not really trying to just completely put so much leave-in conditioner in my hair. So once I'm done just putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair, I go in with the As I Am curling jelly, and this is kind of what it looks like. It's very gel-like. Basically, take a good amount on my hand and start putting it on my hair little by little. So I like to start with like a small section like this and literally just rub it into my hair. Put a good amount on the ends as well. And then I move on to the next part. And also like finger combing it out also helps to bring out those curls. As you can see, the curls are starting to come out. So this is a very simple process that I do. It's literally just very messy. Like there's no like real organized way of doing this. All you're just trying to do is get the curling jelly on your hair so that you can define your curls. Like you can see here, you can see that it's defining my curls. And so that's basically all you're trying to do. So just do it however it works for you. If you want to section into tiny sections, that's up to you. I personally just don't have time for that. So I just work like however my hand goes and just keep adding it to it until I get every single part done. That's why I like to work in just the 4 sections, because I think that they're big enough. I think they're both big enough and small enough that I can quickly just get this all around. Just be generous with the curling jelly. To be honest, I believe that you can kind of use any kind of twisting, curling, curl enhancing creams. There's so many different types out there that you can use. The ones that I've tried are this one, As I Am curling jelly, and I've also tried As I Am twist defining cream. That cream is actually used for twist outs and braid outs and all of that, and bantu knots, but I used it for like a wash and go and it actually came out beautifully. So definitely just experiment with different products, and that's what it looks like right now. So once you're done with that section, you can just leave it like that, leave it out, and then move on to the next one. So I'm going to move on to this section now. Alright, So I put the curling jelly on my whole hair, all the sections as you can see, and I just have my hair falling down like this. So this is kind of like what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys close-ups of my curls. So as you can see, like the curls are popping. As you can see, look at all that. So it really brings your curls out, and as I said, our curls are not the same as 3C or people with like very curly hair. Ours are more like coils, and so but then you can see the coils come out so beautifully. So this is basically what it looks like right after I put the curling jelly on. You can definitely see the coils have been brought out. You can see right there. So basically that's what our curls look like, and it's so beautiful. Like, I love them. I think they're so pretty. Whenever I see them come out, I'm just like, wow, okay. And so I know the hair looks crazy right now, but basically that's because it hasn't completely dried. It's still very wet. And so once you're done putting the curling jelly on it, you are going to just allow it to dry. But before I allow it to dry, I usually like to put it in the style that I want to put it in. I'm just going to create my side part. It's easier for me to do it this way because my hair is still soft and wet, because once it dries, it's just going to like dry into the curls. And then I go in with my Eco Styler gel to kind of like gel my part down. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, put it right there, and then I take my toothbrush and brush it in. And then I'm just going to fluff it out. And I'm going to let it dry, and I'll be back once it's dry to show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It's not completely dry, but it's drier than before. But this is basically what it looks like. As you can see, the gel here has definitely dried. And so like it's parted and it looks really good. And so this is basically what my wash and goes usually look like. As you can see, my curls are out and popping. They are just like, they're just there, you know, like they're living life. And so that's basically what my curls look like, and the final look of what my wash and go usually looks like. So I'm telling you guys, 4C hair can achieve a wash and go. As you can see, it's beautiful. I just love how it looks, and it's my hair and I love it. And so I hope this inspired you 4C girls to go try out wash and goes, and definitely yeah, get it done and look bomb and rock our coils. Yeah, so I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the process, a simple process of getting a wash and go on 4C hair. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Have an amazing day. I love you guys. Peace and strength.